One of the kind of funny stories about when I was teaching is that I was trying to make it so people who worked at night could still hand in their assignments. We'd send it to me over email or upload it into Canvas or C Tools. And so I said, look, 11:59 is the deadline for doing this. But notice, Mr. Raymer, on shitty first drafts, it's Friday at 11:59. And so a student actually in his feedback to me wrote this.
Mr. Berry, sometimes I just want to get funky on Friday.
Yeah, it was just the sense of, Friday 11:59 deadline, not the most student-friendly thing. So that was my own shitty first draft in terms of the deadline, and I definitely revised it. But Mr. Raymer, I want to also talk about this idea of just structure. It's the sense of one of the keys when you are particularly in law school and go out into practice is set up a writing schedule. Why is it important to set up a writing schedule?
I think it's important, especially for when we go out into practice, is because you're going to be juggling a lot of things at the same time. And it's not going to be like, oh, I just have a week to work on this one brief. And so you're going to have to set aside windows of, okay, this is when I'm going to do this part. This is when I'm going to do my warm-up. And then you'll have other work you'll do on Thursday. Then Friday, okay, this is when I need to have my shitty first draft finished.
Great. It's going to be this negotiation of a bunch of other projects. We might even say, look, I can do a shitty first draft on my brief on this case on Monday. I can also maybe do some editing on another case on Monday, but I can't do two shitty first drafts on two different cases at the same time. So knowing that these are specific tasks, you can break down your material and your assignments a lot better.